Right. Let's get started with pasta. Right. Nice and hot pasta. With a beautiful Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Aged for 32 months.
Oh wow.
It's made with buffalo milk as well. It's like regular cow milk, so it won't be that sharp. Very subtle taste. With it nice and even thick, coated with the cheese. Here we go. The pasta is getting so thick it doesn't even want to come up. Here we go. Alright, and now this feature. We get all of these melted cheese. Right, because apparently tossing the pasta in the cheese wheel itself is not enough. Alright.
It's never enough cheese.
There we go.
Thank you.
Alright. There we go.
Yeah. Thank you.
Come over with nice black pepper.